Hello, welcome to day 20. I got done with office just now. It got a little late today, and I got a chance to go at a celebrity's place. We had to deliver a PR parcel because it was her birthday. Her name is Ananya Pandey. We were going to meet her as well, but then she had something, so she was not able to meet us. But yeah, that was kind of weird. Few weird things have been happening with me. I've been seeing the color blue a lot. There was this one random manifestation video that I had seen. I'm not saying I'm believing that video, but she had said that I'll see the color blue a lot. Again, I think there is some cognitive bias or something like that. Like basically, if you go out looking out for the color, a red color car or something like that, you will keep on seeing that car. Uh, I think it might be that, or maybe it's just like a coincidence, or maybe it is actually universe giving me a sign, because I'd say that it feels a bit different. I feel a bit different recently. uh, I can't really explain, or I can't put it in words how exactly. It's a energetic shift that's there. Like I'd say a certain amount of beliefs have been changed very well, and recently I've met a friend as well, and she said that I've become a little more calm, which is good, and I seem to be a little more sorted or have a little more clarity overall in regards with life as well. Firstly, I'd like to thank my past self for sure, for me starting this and for doing all the self-help, self-development that I've done since my childhood. Because until unless if I wouldn't have done that, I wouldn't have reached where I have reached at the moment. And I'm of course grateful for each and every experience that I've had in my life, because I wouldn't have been where I am right now if it had not been all those experiences overall. So yeah, energetically I feel a little different, and I'd say the way I have started thinking as well has become a little more structured, and the way I look at things, the way I look at myself as well is a bit different, and the way I present myself, the way I speak about certain things has changed. And I'd say the only thing that I've been doing is trying to just put it in my mind that keep yourself treat yourself as a person who's actually have a business, or actually has a YouTube channel which has a certain amount of subscribers. I know this is kind of a little bit of voodoo stuff, but it is there is actually a good amount of science. Like basically, if you keep on saying, I think I've said this, I've actually explained this in one of my previous videos as well, where I say, if you keep on saying a certain thing, it creates a certain pattern in your head, in your brain, and the more you say it, the more it strengthens, and the more it becomes prominent in your head. That's how beliefs also work. uh, so I'd say it's a result of all of those things cumulatively, and a result of all the things that I had done back in the day as well. Like I was thinking about this only today, that I'd seen a post of Alex Hormozy back in the day, where he used to post gym related content, and that post was from somewhere around 2012, and then there was a post in 2025. Huge difference, which means he has been creating content for almost a decade. And like we like to believe that these people got lucky, like this person just got viral for a certain video, or a certain tactic of theirs or something like that, but that's not true, because the work that he had done in back all in the years back in the day, uh, has cumulatively helped him to stand in front of camera and speak confidently. The aura that he has in front of his camera at the moment is that only. And I think that is how it is for me as well. Since the time I was in my fifth grade, I've been wanting to do it. I have tried making videos. I have quite literally stood in front of camera. I tried speaking as well, but was not able to do it. But I saw to it that I keep on doing it again and again and again. The only thing at that moment was that I wasn't doing it consistently enough. At the moment, I'm doing it consistently enough, because I think I've hit that sweet spot where you have enough confidence to believe that you can do it, but there is a little bit of hesitation as well. where you're like, oh no, like what if people judge me or like whatever XYZ. Because right now at the moment I am quite literally recording this video from like the parking area of my office, and of course there are not a lot of people, so I don't really have any anxiety or something like that as such. But even if there were people out here, I wouldn't really mind, because I do it anywhere now. Like I have done it at a McDonald's, I've done it at my local cafe as well. So yeah, I think beliefs again, and if you do it consistently enough, it'll quite literally change your brain. It'll quite literally shape your brain in a certain way, and yeah, you'll start believing that. There was this one very good video that I saw today. It has explained manifestation in a very good depth. I'll see to it that I'm putting in the link for that video. If you're watching this video, see to it that you're watching that video as well. It's extremely good. I don't remember the guy's name because it just randomly popped up on my YouTube, and it was damn good. It was too advanced in regards with like spirituality as well. If you are someone who's like a spiritual guy as well, bro, you'll understand what exactly he's talking about and how that's like connected spiritually as well. Very good video. See to it that you're watching it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Really grateful for you to actually give your time and energy and watch my videos, and I really hope that I've actually added some value in your life at this moment. So yeah, see you until next time.